Hey guys, in today's video we're going to do a comparison between a DeWALT chainsaw and a STIHL chainsaw. The DeWALT is a 60 volt max with a 18-inch bar, and the STIHL is a 250 with I think 18-inch bar. We're going to be rating these things by who cuts faster, which one weighs more. Now we're going to be weighing these chainsaws. The electric one will have the battery in it. Okay, the electric chainsaw is 14 pounds, 8.5 ounces. Ooh! The gas chainsaw is 13 pounds, 5 ounces. It's actually lighter than the electric chainsaw. So why buy an electric chainsaw? If I get 100 likes, I'll do a better comparison between the two.